Welcome to the presentation, Introduction to AI in Business. AI is artificial intelligence. This presentation will discuss AI within a business context. It will cover what is AI and why AI is advancing so rapidly within the recent years. AI is no longer just a trend. It is a tool that businesses are now using to improve their capabilities. This presentation will help those who want to start a business or grow a business to understand what AI is and how they can utilize it for the growth of their business. What is artificial intelligence? At its core, artificial intelligence refers to computer systems that can perform tasks we normally associate with human intelligence. This includes learning from data, recognizing patterns, understanding language, making predictions, and helping support decisions. In business terms, AI is a valuable tool because it allows organizations to process information faster and at a greater scale than people can do on their own. It doesn't necessarily replace human ability or judgment, but it can enhance human capacity by providing insights for decision making and automating repetitive tasks. Why is AI advancing so quickly? AI is not a brand new idea. It is actually the convergence of three powerful enablers or three separate fields of research. First is the neural networks that have become much more complex and capable at learning complex patterns. Second is that organizations now have access to enormous amounts of digital data, which gives AI systems more to learn from. The third enabler is the GPU computing. The GPU computing emerged from video games, but it is now being used for AI. It has made it possible to train large models much faster than before. When you combine better algorithms, more data, more computing power, you get the rapid progress that we see today. How AI creates business value. AI creates business value in four major ways. It automates routine work, which reduces the time and cost. It augments human decision making by identifying patterns patterns in data and generating insights from complex data. It accelerates analysis and response time, which is especially important in fast moving commercial environments. AI personalizes experiences for customers, employees, and users. It provides personalized customer journeys on online platforms. The broader business result is improved efficiency, better forecasting, faster execution, and often a better customer experience. In short, AI turns raw data into intelligence and intelligence into action. Three main types of AI. It's useful to think about AI in three major categories. These are predictive AI, generative AI, and agentic AI. Predictive AI helps estimate what is likely to happen next, such as forecasting demand and detecting fraud. Generative AI creates new outputs such as text, images, code, or presentation. It is creative AI. Agentic AI goes a step further by taking action towards a goal, such as completing tasks across systems or managing workflow steps. A simple way to remember this is predictive AI forecasts, generative AI creates, and agentic AI acts. AI use cases across the business environment. AI is already being used across nearly every major business function. In customer service, it powers chatbots and virtual agents that provide faster support. In operations management and supply chain management, it helps improve demand planning, inventory management, and logistics. In marketing and sales, it enables personalization, audience targeting, content generation, and understanding market trends. In finance and risk, it supports fraud detection, anomaly monitoring, and forecasting. Beyond that, industry specific applications are growing quickly in areas like healthcare, manufacturing, agriculture, retail, and even defense. What business leaders need to get right? What some businesses are discovering is that after spending money on software or buying AI tools, most people in the company are not ready to use AI. One of the biggest misconceptions about AI is that success is mainly about buying the right technology. In reality, strong AI adoption depends on leadership, data quality, governance, and change management. A business needs to ask, what are the main problems that it is facing? Where is it spending more? Where is it losing money more? Understanding the problems within the business can help a business prioritize which areas need AI adoption. Organizations need to begin with the business problems that matter, not just technology for its sake. They also need reliable data, clear controls around privacy and risk, and teams that are ready to adapt new ways of working. The companies that do well treat AI as a business transformation effort, not just as an IT project. Key lessons from the presentation: AI in business. To close, there are four messages to remember. First, AI is becoming a core business capability or business tool, not a niche experiment. Second, today's rapid progress is being driven by advances in models, data, and computing power. Third, there are three different forms of AI: predictive, generative, and agentic. And these create different kinds of value for a business. And finally, organizations that adopt AI strategically and responsibly are likely to gain speed, insight, and competitive advantage. AI is more than a technology shift. It represents a broader transformation in how businesses gets done. You do not need to understand the complex technology behind AI models or tools for you to use them. All you need is to give AI tools instructions called prompts, telling them your background situation, what you want, and what you aim to solve or achieve, and what they should do. Thank you for taking part in this presentation. I've put my contact details on this page in case someone wants a further discussion about AI and business. There is a second part to this series, a more in depth discussion about AI and business. It should be on my Facebook page tomorrow, Shonboy Nemboware Facebook page. Check by tomorrow, you will see the second part of this presentation. The second part of this presentation is AI in business, how to start a business using AI, and how to grow a business using AI. Thank you very much.